Welcome. Today I'm sharing my kitchenette setup in my bedroom. It consists of a counter height dinette table, bookshelf, plastic pull-out drawers, microwave, mini fridge, bins, and more. I live in a small home, but glean so much inspiration from watching house tours of much larger places. I realized I could just create something similar on a smaller scale for my personal space. The microwave is on the bottom of the bookcase. The bookshelf works well for extra storage. I covered the dinette top with contact paper. To the left of the setup are folding tables. Mini fridge fits perfectly under the dinette table. The table comes with two stools that are used as tables in my room. The large bins house snacks and beverages. The smaller bins contain napkins, cutlery, bowls, plates, mugs, cups, and Ziploc bags. The drawers are covered with window film. I didn't want to see the contents inside. It helps the area look less chaotic. I hope this gave you some inspiration to create your own sinkless kitchenette in any area of your home you choose. Thank you so much for watching.